So I didn't end up replacing that soldering iron tip. I just took a file to it and just filed it down into a point, and that ended up working pretty good. Focus.
I wasn't able to film me removing the capacitors, but that's the boring part anyways.
So I'm just going to show you guys the footage of me replacing those capacitors. Roll the clip.
I grind, get them with lines that can make lyrical guys go scribble they rhymes. Make it feel a little bit illiterate, like they ain't never read a letter or a book in they life. Give me credit for doing this, I'm pursuing what I like. Take a second to look up to what I'm doing on the mic. You better just book it because there's two of us tonight. Shining so bright that this dude's out of sight. My mood isn't right, like who should I fight? Shit is like a sci-fi movie, cause I might get you woozy when choosing my knives to slice up a groupie like Mike. Loving the woman I've always been about, bitches. Turn around to my sound till I bounce to this in her ass, and that outfit is looking mountainous. How can this motherfucker not rip up out of it? Back killing them with fast adrenaline. Cattling up the crack, skeleton mass developing. All these other cats are relevant. Now my foot is on the gas and pedaling. Accurate with the rap, I don't lack development. Track killer that'll smack up a cap for telling them, clapping them in the back with a Mac 11 and laughing until it happens. A crack your melon. Ghost like a chauvinist. Of course I've been getting hoes cause I'm known for this. Scorching them with the flow, never forcing it. All my metaphors are going through metamorphosis. On tour making more than your mortgage is working to make a fucking fortune. Unfortunate, want war with the kid, better forfeit before all your kids finna live in an orphanage. They can't take away my soul. Hater, play a role. Hate the game, don't hate the pro. They just hating cause they know they can't take away my soul. They can't take away my soul. Hater, play a role. Hate the game, don't hate the pro. Wake up every day, you know they can't take away my soul. They can't take away my soul. Hate the game, don't hate the pro.
So there it is, the first capacitor replaced. On to number 2.
Take away my soul. Other people diss, wanted me to miss, but I keep on winning, got the wannabes all pissed. Probably cause they try to be as hot as me with this, but they'll never be, I'm sorry you did not even exist. Don't bother me while I'm grinding, it's gotta be legit. We party get rowdy as if the lottery was hit. Cocky he constantly is, partly because they be honestly copy and listen. They hate that he's got you all jumping to this. One thing I know is I love me a risk, and not something I just can't control or resist. Hold up, if you really wanna go, I'll leave you stiff. Stimulate my brain with a little bit of Grey Goose. Innovative in a way that you cannot relate to. Imitators, but you'll never be the one to make moves. Winning it, we be the ones that you can never say loose. Son is so accurate, I'm becoming immaculate. Roll up in the lack with a couple of actresses. Booties looking fat enough to cover the masses with. Come to my mattresses, tell me brother, can you imagine this? I attack every track so hazardous, so I had to give you something to slap you with. I'm running this, you're running in back of us. I'm in disgust just cause you ain't even did enough to discuss business. Kick dust if you're thinking you could diss us. Switch up your flow, why? Cause it been sucked. Plus, I'm the main that your chick love, and I got a little thing with your sister. Bang bang, not a clip but a dick, bruh. Bang bang, not a clip but a dick, bruh. They can't take away my soul. Hater, play a role. Hate the game, don't hate the pro. They just hating cause they know they can't take away my soul. They can't take away my soul. Hater, play a role. Hate the game, don't hate the pro. Wake up every day, you know they can't take away my soul. They can't take away my soul. Hate the game, don't hate the pro. Pray today, I'll pray tomorrow. Wake up every day, you know they can't take away my soul.
Guys, got the control module put back in its box. It's a nice sturdy metal box. Metal, not plastic. Show you where it goes. Just goes right up under the dash. it's really hard to see, but that's how it goes. Alright, battery bolts are back in. It came out a lot easier than it went back in. Okay, wire harness connected. Thing that's been needing to get done for a while. The spark plug clip broke off a long time ago. See, it's got no clip. This is supposed to clip on just like that, and then the wire gets crimped onto there. I got that crimped on there. It's actually a really bad crimp job. It's better than how it was though, but I don't have any of the right tools. Normally you have a spark plug crimping tool to do that. Test drive time. Public roads, so seatbelt. First, no problem. Second, third, there it is. So, all I did was replace those capacitors, and now the TCM can function properly, and it can tell the transmission to shift when it needs to shift. So all in all, it was a $1 fix, and a bit of time on my part. But yeah, it's pretty good.